y'all been? It's Unique and I'm back with another video. So currently, you guys, I am on my moon cycle and I just wanted to come and share with y'all a new product that I have been trying, and I wanted to let y'all know of my thoughts and what my experience has been like using these products. Today's video is actually sponsored by a brand called Lilova. They sent me over some amazing products. They are actually period proof underwear, and I know what y'all thinking, period proof underwear, girl, stop playing. I don't know about y'all, but me personally, I have a really heavy flow at the beginning of my cycle. What usually end up happening for me is I have a lot of leakage problems and it gets really messy everywhere. That's the bed, my sheets, my clothes, everything gets messy, and I'm generally having to change my clothes at least 1 to 3 times a day because I do have really heavy leakage, and it's so hard finding products that actually keeps the leakage under control where it is mess free. So this has been a lifesaver for me, having these period proof underwear, because what I have found is it is way less mess, way less to clean up, and I'm not having to do laundry as often. Y'all know it's really frustrating when you are going through your cycle period and you're having to do all this extra cleaning up. So the Lilova underwear, they definitely save the cleanup process and the hassle for me. The underwear from their brand that I got sent over was the Mia Hipster in black, the Jade Cotton Brief in black, and the Amber Bikini in black as well. I got them all in a size small. I generally wear a size 1 or 3 in like junior sizes in the US, if that gives y'all a better idea as to how the sizing goes, which y'all can definitely check their website for a sizing chart. Here is an example of what they look like. These are so cute, you guys. These are not giving granny panty at all. They are giving sexy, sleek, and the material on these are so comfortable. I like these a lot because they actually look like something that I would wear when I'm not on my cycle, which is really cool. And they do have a thick texture, but they're not thick to the point where it's hot. It's pretty lightweight, but what makes them so thick is that they have 4 layers, which gives you added protection during your cycle, and it helps things to be leak free. It is made of organic cotton, which is really good, and the cleanup process is so easy. So with these, on my first day, actually I wore it with a pad and tampon. So I alternate between a pad and a tampon on like my first day, just because like that's my heaviest flow. But today I'm actually only wearing a tampon and I'm wearing the underwear with them. You can actually wear these without extra feminine hygiene products if you have a lighter flow, but being that my flow is so heavy, I'm just using these as added protection. Say for example, you did wear these, just the underwear by yourself, and you wore it throughout the day. Once you're done wearing them, you could fold it up like this, throw it in like a little baggie, and do all your laundry at once, or you can do it like once you're done. So you just rinse it, wash it, hang it. Simple. Okay, rinse it, wash it, hang it, and you don't have to throw it in the washing machine right away. You can do it later like with your other laundry, but you really only have 3 easy steps, which I really like. In my opinion, that's pretty hassle free. Like, you don't have to do all of the extra to get these clean or make them clean. And I love the fact that they are black, because of the simple fact that like you won't really see the mess until it's time to rinse. So that's amazing as well. So for me, I'm wearing my Lilova underwear as a backup, so to speak, because I do have problems with leakage, and I find that my pads and my tampons don't really give me that security that I need, and I feel so much more comfortable wearing my Lilova underwear on my cycle because of the simple fact that it gives me the opportunity of not having to worry about the embarrassment of being out in public and having an accident. I don't have to take extra clothes. All I have to do is put on my Lilova underwear and I'll be good to go. So if you have a heavier flow, we recommend that you do try them out at home first, just to see how it works for you in your own cycle. As women, we are all different and every period is not the same. Once you get the hang of it at home, then you can start going out in public. So I'm going to be wearing my Lilova underwear today. I'm going to get a Brazilian wax. I know y'all probably thinking, girl, you getting a wax on your cycle? Yes, I'm getting a wax on my cycle. I don't mind. It doesn't bother me. I just put on the tampon and I let it rip. If y'all are comfortable with eliminating how much pads and tampons that y'all are using, definitely go and give Lilova underwear a try. It's way safer for the environment, and it helps cut back on the pollution that we put into the earth from our feminine hygiene products. I know personally for my first days, I'm still wearing my tampons and my pads, but once I get into my lighter days, I'll only be wearing my Lilova underwear. So that's one, cost effective. It's saving me money because I'm not going to be using as many tampons and pads as I would usually do without the Lilova underwear. I'm using a limited amount. That means I'm cutting back on my waste, and it's going to have a big impact on the environment if each one of us as women who are experiencing our menstrual cycles, postpartum moms, so many various types of women have so many different types of leakage that they go through in their lives. So having the Lilova underwear can be a lifesaver, not only for you personally, but for the collective environment. So I like the fact that these are washable and you can reuse them. Y'all know me, I have tried cloth pads, the whole 9 yards. So having these period safe underwear, it definitely is something that I'm so here for, and I was so thankful and excited when Lilova reached out to me to do this video. I have mine on right now, and they are so comfortable. I can see myself reaching for these even when I'm not on my cycle. Yeah, that's crazy. But they do feel really good, and they're actually really cute. So you guys can definitely check the description box down below for my link to shop with Lilova. They have 6 different types of underwear that they provide on their site. I got 3 different kinds for me personally, and so far I'm liking them a lot. So thank you so much to Stephanie over at Lilova for sending me these period proof underwear. I appreciate y'all so much. If you guys have any questions about my experience wearing the Lilova underwear, or if you guys want me to do a follow-up video as to what my experience was like, maybe do like a few days in the life of my cycle with you guys and actually show y'all what it's like to wear the underwear, how much leakage I get, what's the feeling, how do I wash it, all of those things, then definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to get a follow-up video out for you guys. I love reviewing feminine hygiene products and giving new products to try. If y'all are interested in more videos like this, I will put a playlist in the comment section down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm so happy that I'm finally on my second day because y'all, I felt so icky and yucky and bleh yesterday. I literally stayed in bed all day, but now I'm about to get up, get out the house, and make some shake and we are going to give these underwear a run for the Publix, okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to consider liking, commenting, and subscribing if you haven't already. Also check out Lilova on their website as well as their social media, and let them know that I sent y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all on another video. Bye, journeys.